Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, today I wanted to give you an update and just show you all what growing your own is all about. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, I'm going to link it where we planted our patio planters, and in this one we planted some lee choi. We did our Johnny jump ups that are right here, and then we also did oregano, which is really doing so well since the weather has cooled off just a bit. I'm actually going to come out here tomorrow and start drying it, but y'all know what I do, I just rub my hands through it and it smells so good. But tonight what I wanted to focus on is we're going to start to harvest the lee choi. Now I'm going to put a quick picture up because this was 37 days, and it's really quick, but they're small. So what I wanted to do tonight was just come out here, harvest it, make a quick stir fry. Such an easy meal to make, and probably under 30 minutes once you cut everything, prep everything. And this is what it's all about. So this is the lee choi. This is the update. The only thing I had to do was just replace this one. So this one is smaller than the other ones because we did have some pest damage. So we started to do our regiment because we found out it was the worms that were eating it along with the snails. So we went ahead, started our pest regiment, and then they were okay. So it's growing good, but I'm super excited about this particular variety. Now all we have to do is taste it. So make sure you stick around. I'll show you what we made at the very end.